we are going to install, or I will be showing you how to install this Raspberry Pi 3 Model B's case over it, and I will be guiding you how to put these things for this case that we have here in our video. So stay tuned. Okay, when we open the box, we can get this Raspberry Pi 3B's case. Here I have Raspberry Pi 3B, and there are the ports or the grips that we will be going to install over our case. This will be going to be installed down here on the four sides, and there we have the LED indicators glass. This will be going to be installed in our case at this place. Here you can see here. So first of all, I got the Raspberry Pi 3B, and here I will be putting the glass on this. Here we have the holes for LEDs, and I have put the glass here. Here I have put it. You can see that the glass is here now. Now I will be preferring cleaning it. Let me clean it. Now after cleaning it, I'm going to put Raspberry Pi 3B here. Oops, I'm sorry. Here I'm going to paste this. Here we have LED indicators here, status LEDs, and putting it the right way like this. Now you can see that the whole four screw holes here, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are at their positions. Here we have heat sinks already installed. If you have not seen the video of installing the heat sinks on this Raspberry Pi 3B, you can check the previous video, or you can click on the video. Now I will be going to put the above case, the shelter. Here we have, you can see it will be put like this, but these things come first. So here now you can see that they will be locked here, this one and this one. These both are locks for it. I have put them in the right place, and we can see that all the ports are in their place, the Ethernet, and there are the status LEDs well placed at the place. And the best thing, you will notice that I have not installed the memory card yet, and you must be careful about it, that you should not insert memory card before putting the case over Raspberry Pi 3B. Now we have the side plates. Here they are, if you can see, this one and this one. We will be going to interlock these things, and for this plate, for GPIO side, we have this one side plate, and I will be going to install it like this. First from here, and then pressing slightly on this side. You should be careful that you don't apply too much pressure over it. If you apply too much pressure over it, it can break. So you must be careful about it. Here I have put it here. Now the second one, second faceplate, and here it is. First from here, it is in its place. We can see that the ports are visible. This is the audio, the HDMI, the USB, the SD card, and here the USB and Ethernet LAN. Now coming to the most important part, that we can put it above it, but I don't prefer putting it above it because it requires the heat to be dissipated in the surrounding. Here we don't have any fan installed, so I will prefer keeping it open. Otherwise we can install this here by applying gentle pressure and it will be okay. The last thing is that we have to put these 4 ports on the grips, opening them. Now here they are. Peeling off one by one and then installing them. The first one, here it is. You can see that it has been placed well. Now the other one. Well placed, and just like this, the remaining 2 will be placed. This one and the last one. This one. Now you can see that we have our case and it has been well placed over the Raspberry Pi 3 Model 3. The status continues. The memory card slot, vent for heat, and also for connecting GPIO extending cable. Here we have USB ports. Everything is well managed and it has been placed here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have your questions in the comment section below, and also let me know if you like this video. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep watching and thank you so much.